Good afternoon. My name is Jennifer, and I am here today to demonstrate how to properly assemble a first aid kit for household use. Home first aid kits are usually used for treating these types of injuries: burns, cuts, scrapes, stings, splinters, and sprains, and sometimes breaks. Your kit should also contain items to treat the following: mild pain, heartburn, and other gastrointestinal problems, skin irritation, and allergies such as itchy, watery nose or eyes. Making a first aid kit is relatively simple. You should keep it small, stock it with multi-use items, and your first aid kit should provide good visibility of all items. Making sure you know how to use all these items in your kit is essential. You should take the time to read a first aid manual and any pamphlets that's provided in your first aid kit. When making your own first aid kit, it is important to include basic first aid reading material. If buying your first aid kit, a first aid manual is always included. Now, I will give you some examples of what should be included in your first aid kit, which I have displayed on this table. Adhesive tape, antiseptic spray or wipes, 4x4 sterile gauze pads for covering and dressing wounds, ACE bandages for wrapping sprains and splints, adhesive bandages, exam gloves, ice packs, antibiotic cream, non-adhesive pads, pocket mask for use of CPR, Ziploc bags, preferably large, for securing contaminated items, large and small safety pins for securing bandages, scissors, triangular bandages for use as a sling, tweezers for splinter, stinger, or sometimes tick removal. In case of trauma or medical related emergencies, a list of family members, medical history, medications, doctor, insurance company, and emergency contacts should always be provided. You can also buy these items at any pharmacy like CVS, Walgreens, or Walmart, and also any sporting goods store. If you have any questions on what you should purchase, you should always ask your pharmacist. As you can see, I put out on the table some of the items that I include in my first aid kit. You should always have a flashlight, cotton swabs, a cold pack, it's instantly available, scissors, different types of medication, a thermometer. Family medical history is included in my flash drive. First aid guide, rolled bandages, tweezers, tape, and a knife. On the chance that you're camping or traveling, you should include the following items among the other items that we have discussed: Benadryl for allergic reactions, a cigarette lighter, which can be used for sterilizing items, building a campfire, and signaling for help if needed. Cough medicine, medium to large flashlight, pain relievers, insect repellent, moleskin for blisters or hot spots, personal medications, a cane or some kind of knee brace, phone card with no expiration date, quarters for a payphone, a cell phone with a charger. The cell phone doesn't need to work or have signal to it. 911 will usually work. Sunscreen and a thermometer. Now that we have put our kit together, it should be kept in the kitchen or hallway closet. It is not recommended to keep it in the bathroom or the garage because adverse temperatures can decrease the effect on the medications. Child-proof containers usually work the best. When traveling, you must also remember to keep your kit water resistant. Remember that learning CPR is vital in assisting in first aid. Almost everyone will need a first aid kit from time to time. Remember how frustrating it is when you're unable to find the items that you need for minor cuts or sprains. You should take the time to prepare a first aid kit and make it available for both home and travel. First aid kits can be basic or comprehensive, but the household kits are designed for a person with no medical training. They are made to be affordable for most households. Remembering first aid is just the beginning of medical treatment. You should always be prepared to give emergency personnel any and all information about current and past medical history of all family members living at home. This concludes my demonstration for how to make a first aid kit. If you should have any questions, please feel free to contact me after this demonstration is over. Thank you.